And time don't come with another story for all of you now. The singer Davido announced earlier on that he's going to be having a meeting with the IGF police. In the meeting, he told the IGF police that he has never been involved in any protests, which is a lie because Davido has gone to several protests in Abuja. The question is, why would they do that?
No, the point I'm trying to make is that you identify with no, that's what I'm saying. No, and I was asking to come in. No. I'm no longer going that route. I'm trying to say that you've already taken action.
I know, I was talking to yeah, you know, this is about naija.
I'm okay. I mean, there's nothing to hide.
Also, a fan and member of the protest said he's not happy with the choice of dressing and Davido behavior in the protest.
They don't talk anything, they don't come back. You come Abuja, we think 1 hour. 1 hour on top of the motor. You use 2 hours. You come from airport, come. You don't even come say so. No, whether you go chill, I mean, you go eat because it's probably the father with the defender. If the police or the defender for Twitter, he still come out front. I won't take defend the video now. Tell me, I won't take defender. Because if I defender, they go follow me on.
Any other news on this issue or the issue regarding SARS will be brought to all of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. See you when I see ya.